Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another exciting beauty box unboxing, and this one is from Glossybox. So I'm really excited about this one this month because they have partnered up with Remington to give away a pair of 2-in-1 straighteners and colours, which is absolutely amazing. So I'm so excited to unbox this one for you guys. They sent over a huge box with lots of products inside. This is the huge pink glossy box they sent over here, and inside this box we have the monthly beauty box, which is the May edition. This is right here, so it's the standard pink box, which is really pretty. And they also sent over the straighteners and colours that are up for grabs. So these are the Remington 2-in-1 Curl and Straight. Like, how amazing do these look? Yeah, there is 50 hidden golden tickets within the boxes this month, and if you receive one then you are a winner. This is the golden ticket here, so if you get one of these in the box then you are a winner, and on the back there will be a code, and you just send your name and the code number to the email address that's on the back of the ticket as well. So yeah, I'm so excited. I really wish everybody could get one of these because, like, these are absolutely amazing. Like, they look so good. I cannot wait to try these out. I will be trying them out at the end of the video, so stay tuned if you want to see how these go. I really want to thank Glossybox and Remington for sending these over to me. Like, I am just ecstatic about these, and I'm so happy that I'm able to show you guys what is up for grabs. So before we go on to that, let's get into this month's beauty box and see what's inside. Now you get a little booklet like this, which has actually been redesigned, telling you about all the products that's inside the box. So let's get on with the first thing inside the box, and I'm really excited about this because I've always wanted to try a nail polish from this brand, and it is the brand Nailberry, and this is the shade Love Me Tender. Like, how pretty is this packaging? It's a simple packaging, but not too simple. Like, it's not a cheap simple, it just looks a nice kind of luxe simple packaging. I've always wanted to try one of these nail polishes because I've heard that they're super opaque and also they are cruelty free. Now I've got it on my nails today, and I can tell you that this is a super opaque nail polish. It is really nice. One swipe and it's full colour payoff. It has a nice kind of glossy finish to it as well, and the shade is just perfect. Like, it's definitely my type of shade. Like, so pretty. I'm obsessed with this. It says in the booklet here that this is a multi-award winning nail polish which uses patent technology to deliver a healthier manicure without compromising on colour quality. It covers your nail with a unique film which allows air and water vapours to pass through it, ensuring your cuticles are protected even while wearing nail polish. So this nail polish retails for £14.50, so this is a full size product and it's quite an expensive product. The next thing we get inside the box is this here, which I've seen is a really expensive product actually, and this is the Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum, and it's a pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting and nourishing serum. And it says this serum is at the forefront of an up and coming beauty trend, the first skincare product in the world specially designed to be used after a face mask. It nourishes your complexion with the vitamins your skin will be craving after an intense clay, charcoal sheet or peel off mask treatment. Simply apply a thin layer to your face after removing your mask and you'll have soft and smooth skin. Super excited to try this guy out. So that's the next thing we get inside this month's box. Okay, so we've got that serum that we can use after a face mask, but of course we need a face mask to try out. So Glossybox has included a face mask in this month's box, and it is this here, which is so cool. Like, I've never seen this before. It's like a rubber baby mask. Like, how spooky is that? But it's incredible. I love it. So it says Shake and Shot. It's a rubber firming mask from Dr. Jart. We get the Shake and Shot rubber mask. Shake it up and give skin a shot. And then the second one here is Shake and Shot rubber firming mask, instant firming boost. So do we put both of these into the little cup and then stir it all up with this little spatula? I think we might. When it comes to high performing skincare innovations, Dr. Jart is king. They have created the latest trend in masking A shaking rubber face mask. Shake and Shot Rubber Face Mask is a fun DIY rubbery modelling mask that nourishes your skin with high potency active ingredients, leaving your skin with a healthy and dewy looking complexion. Better yet, its innovative cream to sheet formula penetrates deeper into the skin than a traditional sheet mask, moisturising your skin quickly and effectively. Okay, so this is really interesting. I cannot wait to try this out. Love that it's different from a normal sheet mask. Yeah, so this is from Dr. Jart. Never tried anything, I don't think, from this brand before. You know, even like, I don't think I've tried any of his skincare stuff either. So yeah, that is the next thing we get inside the box, and this retails for £8. We also get this little guy in the box this month, and this is the Beauty Kitchen Neutralene 100% Natural Lip Treatment. So this is kind of like a Vaseline idea, and of course it's going to moisturise and nourish our lips, I believe. It's made with 100% natural ingredients. This balm moisturises and protects your lips for up to 8 hours, keeping them soft, beautiful and healthy. And this retails for £2.99. So next thing inside the box is from last month's sneak peek, and you either get a highlighting palette or a cream contour palette from the brand Barry M. So I got this month the cream contour one, which actually I already have. I have this in my collection, so I think I'll be keeping this for a future giveaway for you guys. But anyway, this is the Flawless Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream palette, which looks like that. The palette is actually catered towards most skin tones, light, medium and dark. The top here we have some concealer shades here, and the bottom we have our contour shades. This is a great product to get inside the box, but unfortunately I already have it. I would have really loved the highlighting palette, but whatever. So yeah, this is worth £7.99. So guys, that is everything inside this month's beauty box. I would love to know what you think about the products down below in the comment section, and I will leave a little link to the box in the description box if you haven't tried it already. I do have a little discount code which is just Julie20, and that'll get you 20% off your first box, so feel free to use that whenever, guys. Now what I'm going to do is try out the Remington Curl and Straighteners, and I'm so excited about this, so let's get into it. Okay, so here is the 2-in-1 right here. I've got the little protective sleeve on it. So here we have the straighteners slash curlers. Like, how amazing do these look? They're absolutely incredible. The design is amazing. I'm really excited about these as well because I don't have a decent pair of curlers. My hair is actually really hard to curl, if you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't really stay in its curl for very long. Well, not, I wouldn't say stay in its curl for very long, it does, but I mean it's quite hard to curl just because of how thick my hair is. It takes a long time as well. So normally I curl my hair with my straighteners. So these are really cool that they are straighteners and a curler in one. Like, yeah, super cool. Now I'm going to switch them on. So the little on button is just in here. So I pressed it on. I don't know if you can see it lit up in there, but it says 230. Like, you actually turn this little bit here, you just turn it is it clockwise or anti-clockwise if you want to turn it up or down. So the temperature goes from, I think it's 150 to 230, I think. Let me just see. It definitely, yeah, 150 to 230 it goes to, and I always put it to 230 because my hair is super thick. I need that high heat. Now my hair is pretty straight from yesterday, so I haven't tried these yet for curling. So I'm going to take a slightly small section. Like, my hair has to be curled in smaller sections just because of how thick it is. So I'm going to take a little section from the front here because obviously it'll be easier for you to see how it curls. There's a little diagram on the box here. I think I'm going to try this one here, which is the more kind of soft wave. So I'm going to put my hair in, and I'm going to turn it to 180 degrees and pull it down, and this should curl it. So I'm curling it, is this in the way or out the way? I think it's inwards. So there we have a slight loose wave, Yeah, it's not like a super tight curl. Like once it's sort of set, I will go in and kind of like pull them out, but that's what we have going on right now. This is my first attempt, so I'm sure like after a few times using it I'll get a lot better at it. That is one, which is super pretty. Then we've got some nice curly waves on this side. I just curled this side and now I'm going to just straighten it just to show you. So we just put the hair into it. As you can see, it's kind of wavy there for when I curled it, and then we just put the hair into the blades and then we just pull downwards and we pull down like that, and this will give us a nice sleek smooth finish. My hair is so long, like I don't know if you guys can see, but it goes like all the way out here. Sorry, I'm using more of my up close lens, which is a bit stupid for this little tutorial. So then I've got some nice loose waves on this side. You can see that there. My hair is really long, it goes away out the camera, but it goes all the way down there and it's got a nice kind of loose bouncy wave. And then this side here is nice and sleek and straight, which is super pretty. Yeah, I'm loving these. Are so cool. I love that it is a straightener and a colour in one. So of course I haven't curled all my hair with them yet, but I'm loving the result that I'm getting so far. Yeah, I always have my hair straight more than I do curled, but I think with these I'll be curling my hair a little bit more often. Really nice. Like, it's kind of that effortlessly undone kind of look, which I actually prefer. You do get a little kind of protective sleeve with it here where you can put them in once you turn them off, to let them cool down so you're not going to burn your surfaces or anything like that. That is it guys for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. Let me know if you want a pair of these 2-in-1 straighteners slash curlers. I would love to know down in the comment section. And if you liked the video, give it the big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already guys, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.